So in Proc 7311, we are actually building an API. We are actually pulling data out of a database and we are serving it as JSON. In OPSC, we're actually just going to consume some JSON with an existing API. We're going to do three JSON apps. We're going to do a SimpleWeather app, the first app, where we pull a 5-day weather forecast from AccuWeather. And we will actually quite manually hardcore code and engineer that from the ground up without using third-party libraries. We might use Picasso for the images. The second one, we will deploy lots of third-party libraries because nobody builds stuff from the ground up. We want to make money fast. And we will lastly connect to our C# API just for the fun of it so that we can see how versatile that is. So you guys have now in C# learned that an API serves JSON. So what we're going to do in this case, and this doesn't have to be JSON, hey, it can be XML as well. That would be pretty sad. But we mainly use JSON, which is the JavaScript object notation. So a mobile phone will send an HTTP GET request, usually with a parameter in it, to the API. The API will reply with JSON. The phone then consumes the JSON, and what that means is that we will write an app that will accept a massive JSON weather forecast, and we will pull out of there only what we need by literally chopping up the JSON objects and arrays, and we will then display a nice UI showing the information that we get, and then this app will automatically connect every time it's launched, and it will update with a 5-day weather forecast. So the first thing we have to do is register on AccuWeather. So we're just going to go to register. So you can be fairly honest here. We're not doing anything bad except me because I have 3 million Gmail email addresses by now for this very purpose. So you can put the business name as the IE. We are definitely not going to do that. You have to accept the terms and conditions and create an account. I've already done my username, so let's just do this. And let's create that account now. Right, and we will receive a confirmation email in this VCBCat email address. So let's log on there. Just for the record, I'm not advocating to have 9 million Gmail accounts, but I have to teach this every year. So don't do what I do, do what I say. And we should be getting that email any minute now. And I think it sometimes comes in your junk. Which I can't find. Right, you go and sign up for AccuWeather. I'm going to find this flipping email and I will make the next video.